Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to Uswa Students Guide YouTube channel. This is our next lecture of chapter number 2, that is operating system, and now we will discuss the topic 2.1.3 operating system interfaces. There are three types of operating system that are based on ways of interaction with the computer or interface. Number one is CLI, that is command line interface. Number two is MDI, that is menu driven interface. And number three is GUI, that is graphical user interface. Dear student, basically this is about the history of operating system, how operating system becomes textual mode, that is based upon the textual mode. The user types a command and press enter to execute the command. Execute means to run that command. Two commonly used operating system that are CLI or the and dear students, CLI is difficult because user have to remember to memorize all the commands that will perform any task. Disk operating system, DOS. DOS was most popular command line interface operating system that was displayed as a command prompt and like that C colon hash forward slash greater than sign to enter the command. Dear student, user must know the syntax of a command. DOS commands are difficult to remember. If we enter wrong command or the syntax of command was incorrect, then the command will not proceed. Some DOS commands are still supported by the new Windows operating system. It is single user operating system and task operating system for using the single. Here is the example of a DOS. dir means directory format, d cd slash pics display the content of the directory. Dir means what are the main contents of that directory. Format the D drive. CD stand for char directory, which makes picks the current directory. Some DOS commands are shown. These are the some commands that will use in the disk operating system. Next is Unix. Unix is a multi-user command line interface operating system introduced in 1969. Dear students, you must remember the date of that are used in any point in any topic in any question. You must remember the date. It allows multiple users to run the different program at the same time. Unix was developed for use on the large company computer system like mainframe computers. It uses a command line interface, but later graphical user interface was also introduced. We can say that the combination of command line and GUI was used in the Unix. Next is menu driven. Dear student, whenever we use a command line interface, we must remember the commands, but it was very difficult for computer users. That's why the next technology, the next phase was menu driven interface. In this, a menu was driven and the user makes the choice, then next menu appear. There were lot of options and user choose any one, and the process will proceed to the next and so on. Menu driven interface is easy to use as compared to the command line, as there are no commands available at the menu driven. As there is a menu and you choose one option and click and select the one option and go forward. Menu contains the commands to use the operating system. Menu driven interface is also used in some application programs and other devices such as mobile phones and the iPods. This is the menu driven interface whenever you restart your computer or mobile or iPods. Following examples are the of the MDI menu driven interface. Number one is Novel NetWare and number two is ProDOS. Novel NetWare was menu driven operating system that was used in the past. Its first version was released in 1993. Again, I am explaining that your dear student, you must remember the date of each topic that is given. Next is ProDOS. ProDOS was another menu-driven operating system that was used on the some Apple computers. ProDOS interface that is shown in the figure number 2.4. Last one is GUI, that is graphical user interface. It is a graphical user interface user with computer, and it is the latest interface that we are using nowadays. It was Windows icon was available, menu and pointer. Window is a rectangular portion and of the monitor which in which information is displayed. An icon is graphical symbol that represent a file, folder, program, devices. To perform a task, the user has to select the icon to make choice in menu using the pointing device as such as a mouse. There are a lot of advantages of GUI, graphical user interface. Number one is much easier to learn and use. No need to memorize, no need to recall, no need to remember. The commands allows user to run more than one program at the same time. That was a main advantage of the graphical user interface. Most of the GUIs provide good help facilities. Many application programs also use a similar interface, so it is easy to use a new program. There are some disadvantages also of the GUI. Takes up a lot of memory. Yes, dear student, we need lot of memory to run the GUI, graphical user interface. Whenever we install any kind of operating system that is in the GUI base, then there are system requirement must mention because they need lot of memory. Needs faster computer as compared to the other interface. The examples are Macintosh and the Linux, and last is the Windows operating system. Mac operating system is series of operating system developed by the Apple Incorporation for the Macintosh computer. It was introduced in 1984. Remember that dear student, with the original Macintosh computer and the GUI, the last version is Mac OS. These are the example of the Macintosh operating system. Next is Linux, that is operating system introduced in the 1991 by Linus Torvalds. It is faster but difficult to use, and there are a lot of security checks in it. Is very secure operating system. Millions of computers around the world work on the Linux to improve it. It is its secure code is freely its source code is freely available on the internet. Programmers can view, edit, publish, and improve the version. Linux operating system can be installed on the PCs, laptops, notebooks, mobiles, tablets, and so on. And last one is, dear student, Windows operating system that we are using in our computer, and this is the Windows 10 diagram that is showing operating system that is the most popular operating system used by the on the microcomputer in English. It was developed by the Microsoft. Mainly, many different versions of the Windows operating system were developed to use successfully in the past. Some of these versions of Windows 95, 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and now the latest is Windows 8, that is Windows 10, that is shown in the figure. This is our end of the question. That was the uh, what are the interface. There are three types of interface. Number one was CLI command line interface, number two was MDI manual driven interface, and number three was GUI graphical user interface. So please make some points of this question and email me at engshhabie@gmail.com. Thank you very much.